Karma Guy here, and today I've got a 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE Sport Utility for you. It's got very low miles, only 60,000, with a dealer service history and the original books. But let's be clear up front, this vehicle does have a Carfax caution due to structural damage reported in January 2025. We're all about transparency here. This RV4 is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a Quality Plus warranty 3 months or 3,000 miles, and you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Plus, it comes with a 5-year maintenance plan at a discount. Now that's a lot of value. We understand buying a car is a big decision, and we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to give you peace of mind. And remember, price reductions or discounts will void the CPO unit warranty, so make sure you're getting the full deal. As always, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. This RAV4 is built to last.